Okay, hello everyone. We're going to fry some pork chops this evening. So I have already seasoned my flour, how I seasoned it. I have some pork chops here, and I don't know, for some reason I like to put garlic and black pepper on my pork chops before I season them, or before I flour them and fry them. So here goes the first pork chop. It goes in the seasoned flour. I have plain water in this bowl. I'm going to dip it in the water and back to the flour. So I am double battering it. And that gives it an extra crispy crust. I always shake all my excess flour off before I go to the grease. That just goes down in the bottom and it burns if you don't shake it off. So we're going to let this fry and we'll be back. Okay, so this pork chop is about ready to come out. I did turn it over halfway. I like mine fried kind of hard. It takes about 5 minutes, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to keep frying and get all these pork chops together, and we'll be back. All right, here we go. Fried pork chops. I double battered them. I fried them on 350. I'm going to put the recipe for the seasoned flour in the description. If you try this, I promise you, you'll thank me later.